high wind warning information for the following areas in Massachusetts.
From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Monday.
Southeast Middlesex and western
Damaging
Essex.
winds.
What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Central and Southeast Middlesex County, Essex County, Norfolk County, and Suffolk, Massachusetts. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult. Here is high wind warning information for the following standard time Monday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60. 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Central and Southeast Middlesex County, Essex County, Norfolk County, and Suffolk, Massachusetts. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is wind advisory information for the following areas in Maine, Androscoggin, Central and Southern Somerset, Cumberland, Waldo.
Alright, I couldn't tell if Norton actually toned that. I forget if they tone HWW expansions. I know they tone the issuances. I don't know about the expansion, so I won't count KHB35 or WXL93. There you go. Holy crap.